Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Digital Graphic Design Training. So, if you're having issue on how to present your design on a mockup, I think you need to watch this video. So, take it for instance, I just make a particular flyer. So, I don't know how to go about it. So, I want to search for free flyer mockup, free flyer PSD file. So, you understand? I go to Google directly. I don't know any other places. So, I need to look for one. So, which I can use. So I don't know. So I decided to just visit any places to see. So let's go to Elegant Flyer. I want free one. I don't want the one that will pay. Okay. So we'll make this thing snappy. Accept the cookie. Sorry. Let's say we are offline right now. Leave your detail. Okay, this is not working. So we can go to other one like let's go to this place. So you can check when you search Google. Google will give you varieties of where you can get. So you can see all these PSD, but I don't think all this is is editable, but maybe it doesn't have a layer. So I need to still search for that. I'm only skipping by looking at the image anyway. So if I don't, let me visit the graphic family. So I've been using that for a while. Okay, so let's look at this. Allow it. Allow. So this is one. I can actually make use of this or make use of this. They are all free, as you can see, but I want the one that is somehow presentable, which I can actually use. I still love this. It's still cool, but I want the one that everything is still cool here. Okay, everything is cool. So you can just scroll down, but this one that is standing, I will love this. Cancel this. Add, then editable online. You can actually edit it directly online, so you don't need to go to photopea website. Those are the two ways. So let's try this whether it will work. So you can see automatically it take me to photopea instead of me download the shrat and started using it. So, and I want the full screen, so you can turn on the full screen so it will show everything in layer. So I can drag the top and be able to see everything. So now that it's loading, let's see whether it's a layer editable. Okay, go to the group. Let's look at it. So what happened here is you can just, let's see how it work. Let me zoom first. So I guess you can just edit all these templates. It's not like if we had this, not like a layer that we need to transform to 3D. I mean, transform to something. No. So we can only replace everything here. So that is where we normally have issue. So let's go back. I'm not leaving. Let's go back. So let me see if it appears the 100% editable, fully layered design. So I want to download it and see how it will work. Okay. So it's downloading. Why I will still be looking for another one. So we have that. Okay. Okay, this one is downloaded. When you tap on it, you make sure you have this application called Z Archiver. You can get it on Play Store. Tap just once. The folder is empty. Let's see, maybe the file is corrupt already. So you can actually go back, go to your download, then you can see free PSD, recheck. So it's just a kind of a misunderstanding. So we have the one that ends with .psd, that is the file extension. Tap and extract. Then you have to be careful, locate where you want to place it. So I want to place it under this audio of a thing. So after placing it, I will go back to this place. So go to my photopea, then I will click open from computer, and then go and import that particular PSD file. So I need to look for it and know where we place it. Okay, so we'll place it here. So we'll tap here. So now it's loading. So you allow it to load. So it's more or less the same thing, as you can see. So it's not the one we can only edit that, we can't transform it to what we actually wanted. So in the light of that, we will close everything, and that is a kind of a stress we normally pass through in getting all those mock-up of a thing. So what I'm trying to explain at that particular area is that if you are looking for any mock-up that is you just want to transform your design to it, so you can't use that because that's already designed. You need to just edit that to what's the design, you understand, modify it, which is, it might not even be what you are looking for. So those are the things. And how we search sometimes still matter. So like for instance, now instead of me saying free flyer PSD, I will just say free PSD flyer mockup. So the way we search at times still matter. Okay, so when we see that, we can actually look at the free pick, whether we see the free one. This is one and this is another one. So I can use any of these and see how they work. Okay, this is another one, A4. So we might still be considering the sizes, how they work. So I want to look for the better one. So I think, let me try this, whether this will work. So you go to free download. So it's automatically downloaded at the top. So you can still be surfing online by looking for, when it done downloading it, you click, it will show display open. So let's look at the mock-up flyer design as well. So this is done. I tap it, then it will open. You see, I will click on the one that end with file extension .psd, locate where to place it, and I'll place in the appropriate location where I can easily find it. I'm in another website now, so I want to look for whether I can see the better one. And you might be thinking the size actually matter as well, but I get a way of modifying that. So let me download this. So this will be the final one, and then we round it up. You can see we have variety, but they are fall in one. So A4, this is A5. So you can download this. So when you tap on download, so great, your download should start in about few seconds. So your download should start automatically in few seconds. If it doesn't, please click. So we don't need to, it's already downloaded there. So it's 200 MB. That is how we solve and look for better mockup online. So this is another one that we can actually lay our hand on, and this is another one. I still love this because they are very cool. Okay, so I can still tap on this one. Okay, then go to download. You can do that, they are all free. So go to download, great, it will start downloading again. So the first one is downloaded. I will make sure that I extract it, but it's more than one, it's four, so you can use them in different shapes. So the one that end with .psd, that is the one you are going to tap. Just extract it exactly the way you normally extract your form, but make sure that where you are extracting it to, the place, so that when you are looking for it, you know the appropriate place to check. And that is the difference between that of a font and of mockup, because the font, wherever, anywhere you downloaded it to, it will automatically show on your Pixellab if you're actually using a better Pixellab. Okay, so now I want to just paste the last one. So now that I've done that, I think I have enough to work with. So out of it, I'll have to see one that will be able to suit my taste. So now I'm going to import all those mockup one after the other. So I'm checking here. So the mockup I have, so I will looking for, because it's something one dot audio. This is it. So now we started looking for it. We have free restaurant PSD flyer. Okay, I will look for it. Letter flyer. Let's try this and see how it work. Let's try it. So like this one, I love it if this can show, and it will automatically show. Tap on the project here, hide it. When you hide it, you go to the file, go to open and place, then you go to media picker. So under the media picker, you look for the design you want to place on this mockup. So I'm looking for the design I want to place. So I guess I have it here. So I will just go directly to the design, tap on done. Then I will allow it to place it. So where I'm going now, I will just let it place first. You see the sizes might not be the same. Sometimes you might leave it, but sometimes that's why you have to know about the edging and leave a little space when you are making your design. So after that, the next thing is just adjust it very well. Bring it down here. Okay, you can adjust it to the left a bit, adjust it to the up a bit. So after that, you go to the file and click Save with Smart Object. So after clicking on Save with Smart Object, you'll be looking at the screen of your phone. You see Smart Object updated. Type on this first one. Then your result will be out. And when you look at it, you can just zoom it out. You can see how beautiful it is. That is the first one. We'll still move to the next one for us to be able to see. You can adjust all the mockup. Anyone that you do are not needed there, you can remove it. You understand? Take it for instance, if you hide this, so it will automatically disappear. You can hide other things. You can hide the whole stuff. So it will make it look cool. So let's save this. Go to export and click on PNG. So when you do that, it will automatically bring where to saved. When you tap on PNG, you wait a little bit. It will run the processing underground. You can see, click save with smart objects. Click save. Then you can view your work. So you can see it. But that is somehow cool a little bit. Close everything here. Then you go to my computer again. So we need to bring another PSD file around this canal. Okay, so I'm going to this place. So we are looking for another better one. So let's take it for instance. I want something like let me go for A for free restaurant PSD flyer, burger poster. So let's see free single, all this down. We have a lot of them. So let me look at them one after the other. So we need to just run things up. So when you download, when you import it, you say delete this layer, open the layer here, just hide it. Then you will see what is here. Now we have seen it, right? You see the design, tap it twice. Click on eye icon beside it to hide it. Then you go and import your design. It's just as simple as that. Click on media picker. Assets where you have your design being saved. So take it for instance, my design is being saved under the camera. So I will go to the camera, select the appropriate design of your choice. Okay, this one able to complete due to low memory. So sometimes you might experience this. Okay, there are two ways you can do this, and the phone might not run it. Okay, so if you are experiencing that, you can reload. So after you reload, you go and repick that particular mockup file, reload it again. It might not work because if this one is telling me that a 560 gig storage is low with 13 gig RAM, see something is wrong with the mockup. So in such a situation, you know that the mockup is not actually compatible with the phone. So in such, you don't need to stress yourself or keep on. You still trial another mockup, but if it is system, it automatically works. So I want to try it again. So if it does the same thing, it means this can work with this phone. The same thing applicable to others. You understand? So if it can actually work during this sheet, and it can work now, that is one thing about this stuff. So when it happen like that, don't just entertain. You can see, don't entertain fear. And when you find yourself in this mess, so just try a little zoom out a little bit stuff. So you can just adjust to the left so that everything will fill in. Adjust to the left like this. So everything will automatically fill in. Guess it's too much. Okay, perfect. So now that you zoom it out, you click on Save with Smart Object. That is exactly what I'm trying to teach you guys that sometimes not the service or the website can be doing crazy. So you don't need to entertain fear. Tap here. Then we are good to go. See the result. Amazing, right? So click on export after clicking on the file. Then it will bring up the saving option. So when you see the saving option, tap on PNG here. You bring the saving option. You can download it directly. Just click on save. Then it automatically downloads to your phone. So which means all this stuff is actually work. So that is how to just, you can see, very hang and very cool, very beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I believe we'll learn something from here. God bless you. See you in the next video.